This is difficult for me. On the one hand, I have so many plans, so many ideas for my life, how I'd like for things to go. On the other hand, I've seen what life does to plans. 2020 has more than amply demonstrated that plans can be overridden, no matter how strongly one wishes for those plans to be realized. So, in light of this awareness, what to do about plans for the future? I don't know what will happen even 5 minutes from now, much less 5 days or weeks or years. And yet, I can't just plow ahead entirely without having some idea of where I'm going. Instead of focusing on achieving some concrete idea of what I want the future to look like, I'm going to try meeting a more flexible goal. Living a life filled with meaning and happiness, knowing that there are many things that I can do that I will find satisfactory and fulfilling as long as I'm open to them.